my excuse is that my microphone, I left it on all night, so it is sitting there, and that was my excuse of not making this video. So sorry, the sound is not the best. I have the washing machine here going dry or whatever it is. But I thought, you know what? I'm not gonna make any excuses, and we're going to start this video. The purpose of this video is to talk about the down payment. I received the past week so many phone calls from people concerned about, hey, Isaac, what's the deal with the down payment? Like, how much do I need to pay for a down payment? And what I think is interesting is these people make these phone calls in the time of a pre-approval. So they're calling to be pre-approved. And one of the items that we ask, that we request from people is to send us a bank statement showing the money that you have set aside for a down payment. And of course, most of these people don't have anything for the down payment at this time. Can you close the door? So what that means is that they don't have a down payment, so they cannot get the pre-approval that they're looking for, and and they of course go away, they hang up. So I thought about making a small video about this. So number one, the first thing that you want to think about is that the bare minimum, assuming you qualify, would be there's some conventional loans that if you qualify due to income as a first-time home buyer, you might be able to qualify for a 3% down payment, which is great. It's even better than FHA. But not everybody qualifies for that. So you need to, of course, not have purchased a home for so many years, and then you need to meet a specific income guidelines to be able to qualify for that 3% down. Most people don't have those requirements, so the few that do, great. You can do a 3% down payment, which is great. The other ones can do an FHA mortgage, which is first-time home buyers or whatever you want to call it. So an FHA, a government loan, right? And for that, you will need 3.5% to put down. And one of the advantages of FHA is that they are more willing to let you borrow money, even though you might have several credit cards, auto loans, and I don't know how to say this, but they're just more forgiving overall, if that makes sense. And the third option is the best one, but not everybody can qualify for that one. Or if they do, you need to have pretty good credit, which would be the regular conventional loan, which you are required to put at least 5% down. Of course, and I am talking about single family homes, primary homes, not primary homes, like owner occupied. So we're not talking about investment properties, about second homes and about rentals and that kind of stuff. Multifamily homes, I'm not talking about any of that. I'm just talking about the home that you're buying to live in it. So 5% conventional loan, that probably is one of the best deals you're gonna get, because conventional is just better. It's a better loan, better mortgage. You're like, well, Isaac, but conventional mortgages have higher interest rates. I should make a video about that, but let's just say that that's not 100% true. But anyway, the point is, if you have excellent credit and you have money set aside, I would go towards the route of a conventional mortgage. Conventional will allow you to buy condos, townhomes, single family homes, manufactured homes. I mean, you can buy anything with a conventional mortgage. You need to have a better credit score. And like I said, 5% down payment, not everybody has that these days especially. But a lot of people might even have that money, but they don't even consider that money. Now, what I mean with that is that if you have a 401k, because if you have a 401k, then you might be able to pull money out of the 401k to be able to pay for that down payment. Do you have an IRA? Do you have a pensions account? Do you have a CD? Maybe you have money locked in there and you might be able to take it out. Maybe you have a checking, you have savings, stock market, crypto. I mean, there's other options. I will make a video talking about gift of cash. Yeah, you can receive gift of cash, with the exception of cash. Cash is the enemy. Think about Pablo Escobar, about Narcos. I mean, cash is just not a good thing on the first place. Banks are not, they don't like cash. It cannot be tracked, it cannot be measured, it cannot be, they don't, you don't even know where it comes from, where it goes, and that kind of stuff. So, those would be the major programs. Again, there's if you meet specific guidelines, you might be able to qualify for a conventional loan for a first-time home buyers of 3% down. 3. If you don't qualify for that, then you will go to an FHA mortgage, which is 3.5, which is great. That's what most people have. Most people qualify, whatever. And then the third option, it is the best, which it is a conventional mortgage with 5% down. If you have great credit, you have some money set aside, whether it's your 401k and blah, 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 then you probably want to go that route. I'll make a video probably tomorrow about down payment assistance programs, why they're great to pay. Look, if you have no choice to buy a home, then by all means, I mean, better use that program than nothing. I mean, better have the home than nothing. But in my opinion, they're awful. They're horrible. Interest rates, payment-wise, conditions-wise, it's just a pain on the butt. It's just not worth it, in my opinion. If you have the capability to save money, but if you must have a home and that's the only solution, then by all means, sure, do it. And we'll talk about that. Anyway, do you have any questions about anything that I said? For the people watching this, if you are close to Cleveland area in Ohio, we're going to be doing a first-time home buyers class. I'm going to be teaching the lending side, and then I'll have a real estate agent teaching the agent side of things. And yeah, again, my name is Isaac. I'm a mortgage loan officer located just outside of Cleveland, Ohio. And thank you everybody for watching. And I always have the link to send an application on the description of any video. And you have my phone number, you have my email, you have all my contact information to contact me any moment you want. Thank you. Bye.